Now, these are some of my favorite drills. The corded drills are usually with me when I am doing heavy drilling work, like drilling holes into walls, concrete, or metal. Hello guys, in today's video we're going to present to you the top 5 best corded drill for woodworking available on the market today. We made this list based on our personal preferences based on their various features, benefits, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers. After doing a lot of research, we found these products to be extremely helpful for those who are similar to you. If you're interested in knowing more about price and other details, we included the link in the description below. If you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon for daily video notification. So without any further delay, let's jump intro the video. Number 5. DWE1014 Dual Corded Drill. DWE1014 Dual Corded Drill has a robust and powerful motor with a higher rating of 7A that can deliver up to 28 RPM. The huge RPM provides sufficient power to finish your work smoothly and timely. The 3/8 of an inch chuck needs a key to tighten it and can make holes at varying speeds. With the variable trigger control mechanism, you can have versatility and adaptability according to the nature of the drilling task. Once you find out the right speed for the assigned drilling job, you can engage the lock-on switch. It will not only reduce your fatigue but also make you hassle-free in maintaining the drill speed. Number 4. Metaba Hitachi Corded Drill. The D10VH2 Hitachi Corded Drill, now known as Metaba HPT, is made with a superior design to its predecessor models. It offers stronger bit holding because of its all-metal and durable keyless 3/8 keyless chuck. The robust 7-amp motor with 117 pounds torque and up to 27 RPM is ideal to be used for the toughest jobs in metal and wood. For precise operation, the variable speed trigger feature is there. By engaging the lock-on button, you can keep doing the job conveniently without any fatigue. There is an easy-to-access forward and reverse button to disengage the bit in a brisk time. To have a tight grip on the drill, it has a rubber over molded handle that facilitates and improves the control over making holes. Also, the bell hook on the top lets you store it conveniently between different job locations. Its compact body design can fit in cramped spaces, while its lightweight eases your work without any fatigue. Burden-free weight of 3.3 pounds won't make you feel exhausted even for longer work time. Number 3. PC600D Porter Cable Corded Drill. Their PC600D is a well-engineered and professionally crafted corded drill. The mighty 6-amp motor capable of 25 RPM delivers reliable power in the demanding applications of drilling and driving. The drill is also integrated with the variable speed trigger, which ranges from 0 to 25 RPM. The adjustable trigger mechanism helps you harmonize the drill speed according to the type of work you're going to do. On the other hand, with the high torque gear design, you can operate it for a variety of applications, such as metal, wood fabrication, pilot hole drilling and frame construction, deck building, and other jobs that need an extended period. Another great thing about the keyless chuck is it secures the drill bit tightly to avoid slippages during drilling or fastening work. Because simple errors do give deadly wounds. The drill body has an intelligent compact design with an enhanced lightweight frame of 3.5 pounds. That's the reason for the drill being highly portable for users. As for warranty, the company honors its customers with a 3-year limited warranty. Plus, there is a 1-year free service and a 90-day money-back guarantee. Number 2. The Art 160C Black & Decker Corded Drill. Black Decker is a well-known and popular brand in household appliances and stands firm in its trust and quality as time goes by. The company also gained an impressive reputation in power tools as well. Keeping the above in mind, we have picked a compact yet powerful Black & Decker corded drill for you. It is integrated with a powerful 5.2-amp motor that runs at 1,500 RPM. Both amp and RPM give more than enough power and speed for doing a variety of household jobs, whether it's a small garage project or a big DIY job. The soft grip on the handle has an ergonomic design. For DIYers and tool operators, it gives them a firm grasp on the tool when drilling holes or fastening up screws and gets the job done effortlessly. As for your assurance, the company stands behind its product and offers an inspiring 2 years limited manufacturer's warranty. Number 1. DWD115K Dual Corded Drill. The Dual DWD115K is a reliable and ideal drill from the renowned machine tool company DeWalt, especially for common home tasks and light jobs. The drill is equipped with a highly efficient and powerful motor that is patented by the manufacturer. It uses up to 8 amperes of current to deliver the variable speed of 0 to 25 RPM with VSR triggering. A mighty motor has the strength to carry out heavy-duty drilling jobs and fastening applications, while the wider RPM ratings lead to faster and more versatile drilling and driving. Also, the built-in overload protection not only secures the motor but also extends its life, since there might be a situation that arises when you need to reverse the rotation. Therefore, most modern drills have a reversible switch for the reverse and forward functions. It is packaged with a 3-year limited warranty with the added 1-year free contract for any possible service. Also, there is a 90-day money-back guarantee. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product's price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.